Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I have a story for you. This is a story of Queen. A queen had a coil. Queen slept in a quilt. Queen was very happy with King. She went for morning walk with coil and King. We also go to morning walk every day. It is good for health. Dear friends, the beginning sound of queen, coil and quilt is qua. Qua, qua, qua. Say as qua, qua, qua. Now say with me qua, qua, qua. Let's read with me. Qua, queen, qua, coil, qua, quilt. Qua, queen, qua, coil, qua, quilt. Qua, queen, qua, coil, qua, quilt. Qua, queen, qua, coil, qua, quilt.